Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to make this simple but yet beautiful initials mug that you can make for your friends and family during the festive season. I roll a piece of clay and then I put it in the extruder and use a very small setting and make the ropes. In my previous videos I show you how to make an even rope using your fingers. Then I take two ropes and I twist them together outwards. How do you twist them is extremely important. You should twist a pair in one direction and twist another pair in another direction. Hopefully that makes sense. Now another pair, I am twisting them inwards. Then place them together and make the knit. Then I cut them in half and stick them together. At this point you can make them even wider by sticking more pieces together. Then I repeat the process to complete the leather. I'm making a leather K for this project. I'm taking two other ropes. To make the rest of the leather. Just remember outwards and inwards. You can either stop at this point or you can make a yarn to complete the project. I make a small ball and wrap the extra ropes around it to make a yarn. It is super easy. Just wrap it around like you do the normal yarn. Then I place the yarn on the mug and blend the unwrapped rope in the leather. Just style the rope and put the yarn in. Make sure to bake your clay as instructed on the packaging with the mug, like as it is. You should just bake and then take it out, let it cool down, and then gently take the whole clay off, and then put some epoxy glue on, and then glue it back on the mug. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Have a nice day and bye.